Vista. This is an aft balcony. And we'll do that right after the intro. All right, here we go. 9475. All right, not really a reason to show you, but here we are on deck 9, in the very back of the ship, or the aft, whatever you want to call it. We'll go ahead and we got the a little bit more modern thermostat, the elusive, nasty shower curtains that I don't like. Closet space, gotta give them that. And then you got one more closet here with your safe. It's a little older safe, but it's still the digital. Or you can swipe your card. You don't want to swipe your room card. Got some shelves. Hair dryer, and these are always attached. Royals are not always attached. You can actually take them around the room, but there's only so many plugs that they'll fit. All right, so this is a ship that does not have USB ports by the bed. And you only have 2 USB ports up on the desk, and you got 2 110 outlets as well. But that's okay. You can bring an extender on Carnival. All right, pretty good sized TV. Not the biggest, but here's the best part. And look who I found.
Hey!
Pretty big balcony. Nice loungers. When Terry kicks me out, I got someplace to sleep.
Yep. And then look at the view down there.
And then this is your aft pools. Then overall, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for when I put up a new cabin.